Hello from Car Key Solutions, where vehicle security is a very important aspect. We've got here today the Range Rover Evoque, the L405 chassis. This is a 2018 model. Came in for a security upgrade. We are installing a Ghost II Immobiliser, one of the best devices on the market to enhance the vehicle security. Very, very important as the car theft is on the rise now. In the workshop we already finishing off an Abarth vehicle where we also install a Ghost II Immobiliser. Um, Previously this model was not covered. This is one of the early model, but it is now covered. Ghost II Immobiliser is working on most of the vehicles on the road today and is in continuous development. So if a vehicle is not covered, the guys on the development they'll be adding it. They'll do development. We had a case the other day when we've done just that. So definitely very good coverage and 110% the must-have device to protect your vehicle. Car Key Solutions is one name for car keys and vehicle security.